button.
Huh?
All right, he fell for the trap.
Huh? What is this thing?
Now it's payback time for wrecking my spaceship.
Huh? What am I looking at? Kuma, check it out. Look what I found.
Just what on earth is this button for?
Should I push it? Wait, no. But I want to.
That's right. Go ahead and push that button. Push it. Push it already.
Wait.
What you doing? What do you have there? Did you get another game?
Wait a second!
Serves you right. Feel the wrath of the genius. DingDing. Wait! No! This isn't what I had in mind! Room 1004 is mine!
Tata, check this out. I can jump with only one hand.
I can jump with no hands!
Oh, yeah? I can eat popcorn while jumping like this.
Just popcorn, huh?
Focus. Inner peace. Let's try again! Peace, inner peace. As a matter of fact, patience is a virtue. I can't take this anymore! You loud and disrespectful rascals! Are you trying the limits of my patience here? You don't deserve to put your paws in this house anymore! Get it? Both of you, leave this property now! So you finally hear me now, huh? Ooh, what's that smell?
I can even grow
Check this out, I can cook!
I have traveled faraway galaxies to finally create this secret lab. How dare you mess with me? You deserve this. Yes, now it's time for you to pay for this. Those annoying little creatures won't ever leave me alone! I'll have you pack up and leave before you even know it. Let's see how you're gonna like this. I'm sure they hit the road by now, huh?
It's so hot but so cool at the same time. Life is sweet.
You still don't give up, huh? All right then, I know what to do. Take this! Crazy aliens! I'll turn you into space bugs! That's it! I can't believe this! I'll kick you out! You hear me?
Chen, powering the champion night!
Yeah! You dare to hit me back? Huh? No, I didn't.
Now you will feel the ultimate wrath of this phone! You hit me again?
Tata.
I didn't. I swear.
I bet you can't take this! Only the latest phones can make moves like this! Diamond-cutting antenna jabs! I challenge you both to a duel to the death!
Hold on a sec. I have no reason to fight you.
You're doomed now, fool! Take this antenna! I bet you didn't expect this, did you? My antenna didn't work on you. That means you're not just any old beast. Oh, no, not you two. But monsters trained for lethal combat. Tell me where my Princess May is. Oh, no. Did you two eat her?
Wait, are you saying that we ate her alive?
My poor Princess May. I promised to keep you safe. My poor princess couldn't go to school or even sleep without me. Oh, I failed you.
Tata, let's find that video game and skedaddle.
Princess, I'll slaughter these lonely monsters and save you from their stomachs.
You know what? I bet May has already forgotten about you a long, long time ago.
I smell May. She's coming this way.
Why are you guys chickening out? Come back here.
Tata, Kuma, I'm home. Have you two been good?
It's Princess May. Princess May.
I just got the latest phone. Do you like it? These things just keep getting better and better. My first phone had an antenna and buttons. It was so old. Can you believe it? The buttons kept getting stuck from all the dust.
This can't be happening.
It's probably in the closet. Or, whatever. I should give it a test drive. I'll take your photos later.
I got the latest phone. That can't be right. I have this silver antenna that cuts diamonds, and these natural rubber buttons for your latest needs.
Making every little report.
And both all clear! All right. Then report on what Tata did today.
You see, sir, Tata today, he managed to wake up. And what's next, man?
Right, he cooked. No. Gaming. There's your discipline, huh? From now on, you'd better report on everything Tata does. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Ridiculous. Here's the report, sir.
Sir, Captain, sir, fast as thunder, I'm here to report, sir.
I'm listening.
Tata woke up at 7:41:47, and then he had 2 greasy sausages for breakfast. Then he went to take a dump 7 minutes and 1 second later, but he farted for the whole 20 minutes and eventually failed to make a stool.
Yes, that was great. I'm impressed by your report. You did very well, Thunder. Huh?
I'm here to report, Captain, sir.
Captain,
I'm here to report. Tata picked out a clump of earwax that's as big as my head.
Good job, Bolt. Happy to hear what you report.
I'm here to report, Captain. Tata was scratching his butt and a bunch of his fur fell out.
Yeah, good job. How cute. Oh, panda doll. How cute.
Hey, Captain. Tata's breath stinks worse now for some reason. But mine is far smellier than his.
Yeah, that's a great report.
Captain, Tata is breathing through his nose.
Tata also has one nose to count for.
He twitches his eye from time to time.
It could be a medical condition, Captain! Captain!
No more! No more! No more! I don't want any more of your reports! No more!
Yes, sir!
I can finally hear myself.
DingDing's daycare.
It worked!
I'm Kakong, the hero who keeps this city safe. You asked for it, monkey. Get you.
What are you doing? I can't miss this scene!
Out of the way!
Grow back into a baby? How do you like my power? This couch is mine. This television is mine. The apartment is also mine.
Play with us.
Get away from me. Oh, cutie pie. Don't touch that!
The final round. Round 2 of the Tomato Sitter Contest is to beat the weather. To raise yummy tomatoes, you must know how to face natural disasters. This will get you started. The one who overcomes the worst kind of weather can grow the best tomatoes. You have seen nothing so far. Okay, here comes the real deal. You guys are pretty good. I forget what this button does. Okay, I've decided on a winner. The one who takes care of my tomatoes. Drum roll, please. Is going to be none other. Huh? Toma. Are you saying the meeting was pushed back another 1,000 years? They did that 1,000 years ago. I can't believe it. I'm sorry, but I don't need a tomato sitter anymore because the trip has been canceled. Sorry to have put you guys through that for nothing.